Hi guys, welcome back. This is Sam for SAP Careers and Job Seekers Group. Today we're going to talk about what is the cheapest way to become an SAP consultant. So if you ever want to become an SAP consultant and you are in the area of financials, or you're in the area of human resource, or you're in the area of logistics, which is supply chain management, or you are a technical consultant or a programmer or a system administrator, what is the fastest and the easiest way or the cheapest way to become an SAP consultant? So let's kind of dive into this. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to determine what is your area of expertise. So each one of you might be in certain area. Remarket your area. So number one is, are you on a business side or you're on a technical side? If you're on a business side, you will be in finance, you will be in supply chain, or you will be in HR, right? And if you're on the technical side, you will be in admin or you'll be in programming. So if you are on the business side, you decide which area you want to pick up: financials, supply chain or logistics, or human resource. So most people will be in one of these areas, or if you're a technical person, then you pick up whether you're going to be in administrative side or database side, or you're going to be a programmer. So once you have determined this, the next step is to find a course. So you need to do a course. So number two is the course. So you will look at online course and things like this YouTube channel or Open SAP, right? Or maybe areas like programs like Udemy or Coursera, where you can easily get a program very cheap. A Udemy program might cost you $10, but before that, you will look at online, things like Guru 99, or you will look at SAP Community Center or Community Network, or you will look at YouTube and Open SAP. So you will complete your course, you get a course kit, or you download a PDF manual from your Google searches and other search engines. Go and study that manual and make yourself familiar with the module or the business area or the technical area you want to be an expert in. The third thing is the practical experience. First cycle. So the first cycle of your practical experience will be going through simply the screenshots of step-by-step configuration and then testing them on the end user side. So that is part of your training. So if the book doesn't tell you, then you can get a manual. And if you don't have one, then search for one. Even our college, which is MLC College, provides that kind of a manual. And mostly these are paid documents, but you can also try and download a free PDF. It's available online, if it is available online. So once you have done a first cycle, which is screenshot by screenshot, screen-based. So the first cycle is screen-based. Screen-based training. So you look at the screens and you point and click where it tells you to click. So I have also created this kind of course manuals. Most companies, we create what we call as the business process procedures, which are basically screenshots with test data or sample data saying enter here, click here, and enter this, and this is the result. So you do your screenshot by screenshot configuration as the number third thing, right? Number fourth, you will have to do a project. So the project entails working with team members. So you will typically have minimum financials, materials management, or production planning, and then you will have a web programmer and a system administrator, which is basis. So based on your personal preference, whichever module you have taken, you will want to do a live project, because live project experience are very different. And our company, SAP Technologies, helps you in simulated live project experience because we do projects for multiple clients, and then we put you as a support consultant so that you can get a real life feel of how these projects really work. So you can connect us or connect with our team on careers@sapsol.com should you want to do a real life simulated project. Now, just a disclaimer, this project might have a fee attached to it because the project managers and the team which works on the project, it doesn't come free. And these are real life cloud servers, or there are servers which are basically on our premises, and these need to be maintained, so there might be a fee attached. That's the disclaimer. So you make your own judgment call if you can get something free from somewhere else. But this is a group of people working together to implement a certain greenfield project or a brownfield project or a certain industry solution. So you get your project experience. Also, many companies hire you as a junior consultant or intern, and they basically keep you on the bench till you have gone through 2 or 3 cycles of watch or observe how the project really works and get to learn as a support to one of the key team members in that particular module. For example, if it's FICO, you'll join as a financial and controlling junior consultant, and then the first 1 or 2 projects you'll be watching, and you will be introduced to the client, but you will not be the lead because you'll be supporting the key person behind that module. So that's most critical, that you get your project experience, which you can write in your resume. And the 5th one would be getting a reference. Plus your resume build. So I know that AI bots make a good resume, but those resumes can be easily found by, people who are experienced such as myself, and we know that these are built from AI. However, if you do a real life project and you have a reference, we can help you customize the resume. So you can actually reach out to your project manager, and we also assign you a coach who can guide you through the coaching process of how the project is really going on or how your resume should be built. Plus, we have tools and technologies available to you because each resume has to follow certain pattern. And I have touched upon one of my other videos, which you can go and check, what is a great resume and how to build a resume which is a job-winning resume. So guys, the cost of all of these, I'm saying ballpark, should not be more than $3,000 to $4,000 US. So let's say if you are from another country, like say if you're in India or you're in Sri Lanka, it might cost you equivalent in rupees, right? But ballpark $4,000 would be total cost, and this you will recover in the first 15 days of your job, right? Now, what is the duration it takes to become a successful consultant? So I'm typically looking at 6 to 9 months for you to start your first project. So after you have done your training, which is 3 months, and you have done a simulated project with real consultants who are either working on the client side or who are on the bench as a team, and you have done what we call a simulated exercise for the real project, that will be another 3 to 4 months. So 6 months on the average for training and then for the project, and then next 3 months is coaching and guidance for placement. So typically it would take 6 to 9 months and around $4,000 for you to become a SAP consultant. Now, some companies which place you do charge a placement fee, so just watch out for that. Whoever charges you a placement fee. Some companies charge you training fee, and some companies charge you project fees as well. Now, we do help in these areas as well. So please reach out to us, as I said, on careers@sapsol.com. And hope you like the content of this video. If you do like, please click on the subscribe button so we can intimate you. But this is the cheapest way and the fastest way to get into SAP. So cheapest way is $4,000 online training followed by followed by resume customization and references. And the duration, we are talking about 6 to 9 months. And if you're focused, we have made success of thousands of consultants, or we have helped them and coached them. But you can become a successful consultant if you focus and dedicate yourself and do not give up, because basic skills are required, which is communication skills and interpersonal skills, but you also need some computer skills in order to become a successful consultant. I have touched upon these skills in other videos, so please go and check those out. And this is Sam Mall signing off for SAP Careers and Job Seekers Group. Thank you guys.